a town there were 5,680 males, 7,960 females, and others are children. If the total population of that town is 30,580, then find the number of children in the town. How will you do this? First we add the number of males and females, then we subtract from the total population of that town, then we get the number of children in that town. See here, that is number of males and number of females. Then we add these two and total population. Total population of this city we subtract to get the number of children. Here, if we subtract the number of males and females from the total population of that town, we get the number of children in that city. What is the total population of that town? 30,580, and number of males and females 5680 plus 7960. So we add and then subtract from this one. Add these two numbers 5680 7960. 0, 14, 16, 13. This is 30580 minus 13640. Now subtract. Subtract this number from 30,580. 0, 4, 15 minus 6, 9, 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 16940. 16,940 children are there in that town. Therefore, total number of children in that city is 16,940. Now we will solve next sum, that is, how much more is 801 from 350? This 801 is how much more, or how much is to be added to 350 to get 801. In other words, how much is 801 is more than 350. To get this, we subtract 350 from 801. 1, this is 5, this one is 4. Therefore, $801 is 451 times more than 350. Therefore, 801 is 451 times more than 350. Now we will go to the 10th sum, that is, find the difference of greatest and smallest numbers formed by the digits 5, 8, 0, 1, 9 and 6. Now we write greatest number by using these digits. Greatest number greatest number formed by the digits is, we write these digits according to their values in descending orders. Which is having more value in this digits? 9 is having more value. 9. Then after 9 comes 8. Next one 6. Next one 5. Next one 1. Last one is 0. This is the greatest number by using those digits. And similarly we write the smallest number by using these digits. What is the smallest number? I will write, see here. First we will write, we cannot write our 0 at the highest place. So if 0 is present in the given digits, we write it in second highest place. So other than 0 we see the digits other than, greater than, just less, just greater than 0 or other than 0, which is the greater digit. See here, that is 1, we write 1, and in second highest place we write here 0. Then we write all other digits in ascending order, that is 0 and 1 have already written. Now third one is, this is 5, next one is 6, next one is 8, next one is 9. So this is the smallest number and this one is the greatest number. To get the difference of these two numbers, we subtract smaller number from the greater number. Now what we will get after subtraction? See here, 10 minus 9 is 1, taken carry, given back. 8 plus 1 is 9, 11 minus 9 is 2, this one is, once again give back, 6 plus 1, 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. This one given back, this is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. This is 8. This one is 8. That is 880821. That is the difference of these two greatest and smallest number. Therefore, the difference is this much. Next one, 11th one, find the difference between the place values of 8 in the number 58108612 that is 58 crore 10,86,123. In this number we find the place values of this 8 which is in 10,000 place and this one in crore place. So we subtract the place values of these two numbers to get the difference. See here, I will write like this, 58108612 this is the number given to here. Place values of, no need to write place values of every digit. Here we have been asked only place values of 8. This one is place values of 8 which is in 10,000 unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 place. This is in 10,000 place. This is in lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is in crore place. So place value of this 8 is, what is that? Place value. Place value of this 8 is 8 into how much? Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 8 into 10,000 is 80,000. 8 into 1 is 8 and 4 zeros are written as it is. Here place values of 8 which is in crore place, that is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 ones are 8 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is place value of this 8 is this much and this one is 80,000. This one is 8 crore. Now we subtract to get the difference. and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is. Rest of other digits are 0. So we will find the difference of these two numbers 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2. This one is 9. This one is 9. This one is 7. So this one is the difference. Therefore, the difference is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 7 crore 99,000, 7 crore 99 lakh, 20,000 is the difference of the place values of these two 8s in this given number.